Right, hello. Today we're going to find the nth term formula of this sequence of numbers. So what we need to do is always start with the first differences. So we've got from 6 to 11, it's going to be plus 5. From 11 to 17, plus 7. 18 to 27 is plus 9. And from 27 to 38 is plus 11. Now then, these are the first differences. They're not all the same, so we'll go through and look at the second difference. Here we have plus 2. 7 to 9 gives us plus 2 again. 9 to 11, again plus 2. So because these are all the same, that tells us it's going to be a quadratic sequence. So the nth term formula will look something like a quadratic. an squared plus bn plus c. And actually, this plus 2 is 2 lots of a. So this tells us that a is going to be 1. Lovely jubbly. The next thing to do then is to build this little table. And what we need in our table is the position, the term, an squared, and then the term minus an squared. Because what this last row will give us is going to be basically the bn plus c. So that should be a linear sequence, and then from there we can figure out what b and c are. So we'll fill this all in. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the positions. The terms, it's just the sequence, 6, 11, 18, 27, 38. an squared, well, a we know is 1, so we just want to do basically the square numbers. So it's 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. And now the last row, we do the two above it subtracted from each other. So 6 minus 1 is 5, 11 minus 4 is 7, 18 minus 9 gives us 9, 27 minus 16, well that's 11, and 38 and 25 gives us 13. So now this thing at the end then is a linear sequence. So we'll go through and figure out what the b and the c are from that. So here we have a plus 2. Here we have another plus 2. Again, another plus 2. And another plus 2. These should always be the same. And this plus 2 then is b. So b is 2. Now then, how do we work out c? C is always, for every sequence, the first term minus a minus b. So it's always going to be the numbers you found and then just subtract them from the first term. So doing that, our first term was 6, our a was 1, our b is 2. So 6 minus 1 minus 2 gives us 3. So the overall answer, the nth term in our sequence is n squared plus 2n plus 3. Lovely jubbly.